Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to motion track in CapCut and make the camera follow you. So it's really simple and easy in CapCut. The very first step is to open the CapCut on your device and then import the video that you want to edit. Now click on this text tool, then add text, and then we have to add a full stop or punctuation mark. And when you add it, click on style and choose a red or yellow color. You need to choose a color that you can easily see on the screen, and when you do that, increase the size of the font stop and make sure that it is on the center of the frame. Then drag full stop over the whole video, and let's get back to the beginning and select that video you want that motion track on. Click on this little keyframe button to add the keyframe. And now simply put the object that you want to follow in this stock. So I want to add his arms, add his hands here. So I'm going to put in this red dot. Zoom in or out of your video to adjust its size. And when the first keyframe is added, and simply make sure that his hand or your object is in the red dot. So zoom in or out and add the keyframe will automatically add it to your video. And just repeat this in the whole video and add as many keyframes you will need. And the very last step is to check your video, and if you are happy with your results, and then simply delete this red dot button and your video is good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.